Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Walgreens app how to add money to PayPal. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to add money to PayPal from Walgreens, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Walgreens application and be sure to be logged into your account as well. Once logged into your account, what you need to do next is open up PayPal application and log in there, and there what you need to do is simply select add cash option. Then once you're inside there, select Walgreens from the list of participating retailers, and there you get a barcode. PayPal will generate a unique barcode, and this barcode links the cash deposit to your PayPal account. Now show the cashier your barcode at checkout, hand them the cash you want to load, and now Walgreens processes the deposit and you'll get a receipt, and the money usually appears in your PayPal balance within minutes. Know that there is a certain amount of fee from $3.95 per transaction and limits up to $20 to $500 per transaction and up to $1,500 per day. You can use this at Walgreens, do and read or write it as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.